we're going to change the air filter. So let's get on with that. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to pop this little cover off just here. There's some little clips. There's one at the back and one. Are you trying to point at a clip that's not there?
Oh, I thought there was one.
And there's
there.
one at the side just here. There we go. Oh, I've just put the bag on in. Just going to pop this off. Does this just thing? Oh, there's one at the other side. That's what it is.
It's hiding from you.
There we go. Just to check that there's no debris in here, because the air goes from inside, it goes into the front grille, that one, into here before making its way around. Any debris could well get caught in here, but it hasn't on this car, thankfully. Right, we're just using a Torx 25 bit now to undo all of these little screws in here. They are captive, so they won't come all of the way out, and hopefully you won't have the same issue as what I've got, and one of them is rather corroded, shall we say. There we go. There we go.
One and air filter.
There we go. One air filter. Oh, slightly grotty.
I think you can tell that that's probably only a year old.
Yeah, definitely.
That don't look too bad at all.
Definitely. The other clever thing with these cars.
Simply clever.
Simply clever.
You can't say clever without saying simply clever.
Is they have this little plastic thing in here that also has to filter out any debris and bits of leaves.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
We've
look,
got
there's
a nice
actual entire leaves there.
Nice.
That have all been caught basically by the air filter.
Thank you, Air Filter Grill.
Yeah.
Thank you, Skoda, for being simply clever.
You can also kind of tell, to be fair, where like any rainwater or whatever is potentially sloshed into there.
And this is where maybe mud, water, and God knows what else goes in when Alana forgets that she's not in the Freelander and goes through water too fast.
Maybe. Just got the new air filter out of the box, so I'm going to go ahead and pop that in. Oh, it actually almost pops into the box a little bit.
Oh, nice.
Not
nice
pop.
little firm seal.
Well, not so much pops in, I don't think that's the word, but it actually feels like it sits in there. It doesn't just get squashed in by the airbox, which I feel like some cars do. And then we'll pop that back in. There we go, that's all nice and tight. And then let's get this little cover back on. And then we're just going to pop this little cover back on. Looks like it just pops back in again. Like that. There we go, that's nice and firmly. There we go, now it's firmly back in place.